'Twas the night before Christmas when a circuit layout needed a redesign from experts in-house. The design engineers didn't leave that board bare. They spec'd out components with speed and with flair. The sales team all knew this job was a go, that these power supplies would work well in snow.
"How fast can we get them?"
Santa asked on the phone.
"I'm scheduled to visit 2.1 billion homes."
The surface mount line sprang into action with a super-fast robot, not some old contraption. Then 8 skilled technicians went to work on the boards, placing through-hole components they'd kept carefully stored. Wave soldering and inspection were the next 2 great tasks. There were no solder bridges, only solder mask. Laser depaneling came next in the flow, cutting out PCBs, well, that we've got permission to show. These boards were all tested with speed and with care, then put in enclosures that would go everywhere. This urgent order was turned on a dime, and the shipping department got them right on time. All of Phelps, New York heard Santa say before he left in the night, "Thank you, Z-Axis, for a job done quick and done right."